They said it was impossible that after 70 years old, your body simply starts to fall apart with no chance of return. Your muscles disappear, your strength vanishes, and there is nothing you can do but watch it happen in slow motion while your independence leaves with it. But in the depths of the mountains of Japan, scientists stumbled upon something nobody expected to find, a forgotten secret hidden in the smallest seeds on Earth. Before we reveal this secret, please click the subscribe button and leave a like below to help us spread this vital information that the industry tries to hide. At first, they thought it was just folklore, another old village legend with no scientific basis. But when they tested it in the lab, the results left every scientist absolutely stunned. Inside these tiny seeds exists a type of protein so powerful that it surpassed eggs by 21 times in rebuilding muscle in older adults. This is not a typo, nor is it an exaggeration to get attention. It is 21 times more effective than eggs, the food everyone always said was the best protein source for building muscle. In a matter of weeks, people in their 70s and 80s started to regain strength they had not felt in entire decades. Legs became firm again, balance returned, and energy increased as if someone had flipped a switch that had been off for years. However, there is a mysterious and controversial side to this discovery. The entire Western nutrition industry tried to bury this information and keep you in the dark. Why would they do this? Because this scientific breakthrough could collapse the $70 billion protein supplement market overnight. They simply cannot let that happen because there is too much money at stake. In this video, we will discover the 6 miraculous seeds that build muscle faster than eggs after 70. We begin with number 6, a seed that was used in ancient Japan to give energy to samurai before battle and is now proven to help seniors rebuild the strength of their youth. Most people think of sunflower seeds as nothing more than a baseball game snack, something you eat without thinking while watching television. However, research from the University of Illinois revealed that these small kernels pack an incredible 21 grams of complete protein per 100 grams. When you compare this to meat, chicken, or even the famous eggs, sunflower seeds are competing with the best. Unlike many plant proteins that are considered low quality, this protein is complete, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. What makes sunflower seeds particularly special for muscle building after 70 is their exceptionally high content of vitamin E. With just a quarter of a cup, you are getting 82% of your daily needs for this crucial vitamin. This matters significantly because vitamin E directly protects your muscle cells from the oxidative damage that accelerates dramatically with age. As you get older, your body produces more free radicals, destructive molecules that attack your cells, and your muscles are particularly vulnerable. Vitamin E acts as a protective shield, keeping muscles healthy and able to grow even in your 70s or 80s. Furthermore, sunflower seeds are extremely rich in arginine, an amino acid that studies show improves blood flow to the muscles by up to 40% in older adults. Imagine the difference between watering a plant with an eyedropper versus using a hose. Better blood flow means more nutrients arrive exactly where you need them for growth. Recent research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed seniors who consumed 30 grams of sunflower seeds daily and discovered a 15% increase in grip strength in just 8 weeks. To maximize these benefits, you should soak the seeds overnight in lightly salted water. This process activates enzymes that make the proteins much more bioavailable and reduces phytic acid, which can block mineral absorption. Additionally, consuming sunflower seeds within 30 minutes after any form of exercise, even a light walk, can trigger muscle protein synthesis that continues specifically for hours afterward, turning your body into a muscle-building machine. Next, we look at tiny seeds that most people only find on hamburger buns or sushi, the sesame seeds. These are actually one of the most underrated protein sources on the planet, containing 18 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams. They contain a unique compound called sesame, which Japanese researchers discovered can increase muscle protein synthesis by 31% in adults over 70. This 31% increase is the kind of result that expensive supplements promise, but here it is backed by real scientific studies from respected universities. What makes sesame seeds extraordinary for older adults is their extremely high content of methionine. This essential amino acid is usually very low in plant proteins, but is absolutely critical for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Sesame seeds contain more methionine per gram than eggs, chicken, and even red meat, proving that you do not need to rely solely on animal products for complete amino acids. The real game changer is how sesame seeds affect hormones. Studies conducted at the University of Tokyo found that consuming 2 tablespoons of tahini ground sesame paste daily for 6 weeks increased testosterone levels in older men by 18%. It also improved muscle recovery time by an impressive 40%. This is crucial because hormonal levels naturally decline after 70, leading to muscle loss. To get the most out of sesame seeds, preparation is key. Lightly toasting the seeds in a dry pan for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn golden breaks down the hard outer shell. This simple step increases protein digestibility by an incredible 45%. Regarding timing, studies show that eating sesame seeds at night before sleep significantly improves muscle recovery. Their high magnesium content helps relax tense muscles and improve sleep quality, which is essential since most muscle repair happens during deep sleep. Ground flax seeds deliver 18 grams of protein per 100 grams, but their true power lies in their specific fatty acids. Researchers at the University of Toronto discovered that the alpha-linolenic acid in flax seeds, a type of omega-3, has almost magical powers. It reduces muscle inflammation by an impressive 52%, while simultaneously increasing muscle protein synthesis by 27% in older adults. It works like 2 workers, one removing old debris and the other building new structure. Flax seeds also contain powerful compounds called lignans, which are 800 times more concentrated in flax than in any other food. These lignans have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity by up to 35% in seniors. Since insulin acts as a key opening the doors of muscle cells to accept nutrients, this is vital for growth. A revolutionary study published in the Canadian Journal of Physiology followed older adults for 12 weeks. Those who consumed just 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily increased their muscle mass by 1.5 pounds, while simultaneously losing 2.2 pounds of body fat, without changing their diet or exercise routine. It is absolutely essential to understand that flax seeds must be ground. Whole flax seeds will pass through your digestive system completely intact, meaning you receive none of the benefits. You must grind them fresh or buy them pre-ground. Furthermore, combining flax seeds with probiotic-rich foods like plain yogurt or kefir can increase protein bioavailability by up to 40%. The beneficial bacteria help break down complex fibers, making amino acids easier for your muscles to absorb. Number 3 on our list is the pumpkin seed. These small green seeds are nutritional powerhouses containing an impressive 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. This is more protein than you find in most meats, chicken, or fish. However, what sets pumpkin seeds apart for those over 70 is their exceptional zinc content. Just 1 ounce provides 20% of your daily needs for zinc, a mineral fundamental for muscle repair and testosterone production. German researchers made a fascinating discovery. Pumpkin seeds contain a unique protein called cucurbitine. This protein has such powerful anti-inflammatory properties that it can reduce exercise-induced muscle soreness by 45% in older adults. This reduction allows you to exercise more frequently and build muscle faster. Additionally, a staggering 68% of adults over 70 are deficient in magnesium, which is abundant in these seeds and required for muscle protein synthesis. A study published in the International Journal of Sports Nutrition followed older adults for 10 weeks. People who consumed 40 grams of pumpkin seeds daily gained 60% more lean muscle mass compared to those who consumed the same amount of protein from eggs. The researchers attributed this to the synergistic combination of protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. For preparation, soaking them in salt water for 8 to 10 hours activates germination enzymes, and roasting them at a low temperature, no higher than 170 degrees Fahrenheit, preserves the nutrients. Hemp seeds deliver 31 grams of complete protein per 100 grams with a 94% digestibility rate. This digestibility makes them superior to eggs, whey, or meat for aging digestive systems. The protein in hemp contains edestin, a globular protein remarkably similar to proteins found in human blood plasma, which makes it easy for the body to use for tissue building with virtually zero waste. Australian researchers found that hemp protein contains the perfect 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. This balance reduces systemic inflammation by up to 58% and increases muscle recovery speed by 35% in adults over 70. Unique to hemp seeds is their content of gamma-linolenic acid, a rare omega-6 that fights inflammation and can increase muscle strength by 25% in just 6 weeks. The amino acid profile is rich in leucine, the master trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Hemp seeds contain more leucine per gram than eggs. NASA even called hemp seeds one of the most perfect foods for astronauts due to their exceptional profile. They are incredibly convenient because they are soft enough to eat straight from the bag without grinding or toasting. Research suggests consuming 3 to 4 tablespoons spread throughout the day to keep your muscles in an anabolic state. Finally, we have the chia seed, which ancient Aztec warriors called running food. They contain 17 grams of complete protein per 100 grams. Their most unique ability is absorbing 12 times their weight in water, creating a gel that provides a sustained release of protein for up to 6 hours. This prevents the fire hose effect of getting too much protein at once and ensures maximum efficiency. Researchers at Stanford University discovered something counterintuitive. The protein in chia seeds becomes more bioavailable as you age. Absorption rates increase from 76% in young adults to an impressive 95% in people over 70. Chia seeds also contain 7% leucine, which is higher than almost any other plant source and rivals whey protein without the digestive issues. Furthermore, the gel they form helps transport water and nutrients directly into muscle cells, increasing cell volume by up to 20%. This triggers anabolic signaling pathways. A revolutionary Mexican study followed adults over 70 who consumed 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily for 12 weeks. They gained an average of 2.8 pounds of lean muscle mass, improved walking speed by 23%, and increased grip strength by 31%. The best way to consume them is by making chia pudding, allowing them to soak and expand overnight. You now possess knowledge that most people over 70 will never discover, that your muscles do not have to disappear just because you are aging. There is a natural, affordable, and scientifically proven way to rebuild strength using these 6 miraculous seeds. You do not need the expensive supplements from the $70 billion industry that tries to hide this information. From the antioxidant protection of sunflower seeds to the hormone-balancing power of sesame, from the anti-inflammatory omega-3s in flax to the essential zinc in pumpkin seeds, and from the superior digestibility of hemp to the time-released protein of chia, you have a complete toolkit. Start with just 1 or 2 seeds and remember that consistency matters far more than quantity. Before you go, please click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and activate notifications so you do not miss any content that can add years of strength to your life. Leave a like to help the algorithm show this to more people who are struggling with muscle loss, and tell me in the comments, which of these 6 seeds will you start incorporating first? Thank you for watching, and remember that age is just a number when you feed your body the right tools.